When most people think of Google, they think of a platform where they can search for anything and everything and receive a variety of useful and helpful search results. In this video, I will show you how such a site can really get you paid for free and with ease. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Before we go to the website, you must first create and have your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create an account for free by clicking this button. Now, before we go to the website and try to figure things out on our own, I strongly advise you to watch this video since I cover a lot of things here, including how to sign up for free, as well as extra suggestions for making more money faster and step-by-step instructions. You should certainly watch the movie all the way through and pay great attention to every second so that you don't get confused and if you truly want to make this work. So if you truly want to set everything up properly and make it work, you must follow and watch every single second of this video. With that stated, let's get right into the lesson so I can show you everything. Okay, so you heard that right. Google, out of all the sites, will be paying us today, and to be more particular, it is a Google platform called Skillshop, and so your first step is to either go to Google and search for Google Skillshop like this, or come over here and open up this page. In any case, this is the site that we will be utilizing to earn money. First and foremost, what is Google Skillshop? It is Google's official site where you can download numerous courses that will teach you various skills for free. Develop skills you can use right now with e-learning courses built by Google product experts. Learn at your own speed and become certified in Google products as demonstrated here. The greatest thing is that you get a certificate after you finish one of these courses, which is fantastic to say the least. For example, you may watch courses on Google Ads that will help you improve your abilities in utilizing Google Ads to market your business online and become Google Ads certified. You have Google Marketing Platform courses, analytics courses, and so on and so forth. There are just too many for me to read out loud. Now, which courses in particular will offer you certificates? You can see all of the courses that I need to watch to be certified by hovering your mouse over here, obtain a certificate right here, and if I hover my mouse over Google Ads, I can see all of the courses that I need to watch to get verified. A certificate may be obtained for the Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google Ads, and lastly, Waze. Now, with that stated, you may not like it, but I promise it will pay off if you visit this site and obtain a credential from any of these courses. The Google Ads courses are the ones that will pay off the most, and as you can see, some are shorter and others are longer. For example, this one will take over 2.5 hours, and although this one is just a bit of time. Remember that you only need to watch the courses once and you will have that certificate for life. You will also gain valuable knowledge from these courses, which, as I previously stated, will pay off handsomely because people are willing to pay a lot of money for Google Ad experts, and I will show you where to find them. You may now locate clients by using two platforms. The first is peopleperhour.com, which is a website where you can come to work as a freelancer or pay a freelancer. Now, obviously, we are here to make money, so we will be working as freelancers here. However, unlike Fiverr, where you can create a gig and wait for the customer to come to you, on People Per Hour, you can find people who are willing to pay you for a specific job. Whereas on Fiverr, you can create a gig and wait for the customer to come to you, which is why we are using People Per Hour in particular. So when you first come on here, you should establish an account by clicking here and filling out the form. I won't go through the full procedure since I am sure you can handle it. Now that you've finished, click on search and then pick search projects. From there, you will want to look for work. The sort of job you look for relies on the type you completed on Google Skillshop. Let us assume you completed a course in Google Ads. If you search for it, you will discover that people are now giving up to hundreds of dollars. And not only do you have a certificate as a Google Ads expert, but you will also know exactly how it all works and what to do due to Google's courses. This, of course, means you will be able to make a lot of money. For example, this person I found is offering this amount of money for a Google Ads expert. Then there's this person who is offering this amount of money. And then there's this person who will pay for this amount an hour. And these are just a few of the total offers I found on people per hour and relating to just Google Ads. So while you may spend a small amount of time studying a few things here and there, that information is quite important online and may help you earn a lot of money. People per hour is not the only platform you can utilize. A comparable platform called freelancer.com is also excellent for what you need to accomplish here, which is similar to people per hour. Alright, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. First and foremost, sign up for an account here by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner of the website. After that, you will want to click on explore jobs over here and then search for a job type that, as previously stated, relies on the sort that of course you are taking. So, using Google Ads as an example, you can see that similar to the previous site, individuals are willing to pay as much as $100 for a Google Ads expert. On freelancer.com, the quantity of offers is bigger since there are twice as many persons in total. While both of these platforms have the disadvantage of requiring you to bid on offers, bear in mind that merely because there are so many of them, someone will almost certainly accept your offer and you will be able to make hundreds of dollars. If you want to prevent that, establish a gig on persons per hour or even Fiverr and ask for $100. This will be a longer approach to gaining consumers, but after you get a few reviews, it will get easy from there. Now, if you're serious about generating money online and starting your own business, I strongly advise you to visit Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an online learning community with hundreds of fascinating classes from which you can learn nearly anything. You can learn new skills such as web design, graphic design, internet marketing, and much more in the e-business category. One of my favorite classes in this category is selling online business skills for product designers, and then these classes are about how anyone can turn their idea into a real and successful online business. They also go over all of the foundations that one needs to succeed in online business, and this lesson is all about selling online, including discovering your niche, creating your brand, putting up your storefronts, and promoting your items using social media. Now, the main reason I like Skillshare is not that you can learn almost anything with ease, but because the platform is curated exclusively for learning. There are no boring or annoying ads to interrupt you, and what's even better is that you can get full access to all of the Skillshare classes, from which you can learn almost any skill you can think of 24 hours a day. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.